If your iPad is not responding to touch, it can feel like the whole device is broken. Sometimes the screen freezes, sometimes only one area stops working, and sometimes the touch works for a few seconds and then stops again. In this video, I'll show you the simple fixes first, then the deeper steps you can try before going for repair. Step 1. Clean the screen. Start by cleaning your iPad screen with a soft microfiber cloth. Oil, dust, water, or dirt on the screen can stop the touch from working properly. Also, make sure your fingers are clean and dry before you test the screen again. Step 2. Remove the case and protector. A tight case or damaged screen protector can make the iPad screen respond badly. Remove the case first and test the screen. If the problem is still there, remove the screen protector and check again, especially if it has cracks, bubbles, or thick edges. Step 3. Disconnect accessories. Unplug everything connected to your iPad, including the charger, keyboard, USB-C hub, or adapter. A faulty cable or charger can sometimes affect touch response. After disconnecting everything, test the screen again and see if it works normally. Step 4. Restart the iPad. If the screen still responds a little, restart the iPad normally. Turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. A simple restart can fix small software glitches that make the screen freeze or lag. Step 5. Force restart the iPad. If the screen is completely frozen and you cannot swipe anything, try a force restart. For iPads without a home button, press and release the volume button near the top button, press and release the other volume button, then hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. For iPads with a home button, hold the home button and top button together until the Apple logo appears. Step 6. Check one app. If the touch problem happens only inside one app, the app may be frozen, not the iPad screen. Close that app and open it again. If it keeps happening, update the app or delete and reinstall it. Step 7. Update iPad OS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install any available update. Software bugs can cause freezing, lag, or touch problems. Keeping iPad OS updated can help fix these issues. Step 8. Check touch settings. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch. If Touch Accommodations is turned on, it can change how your iPad responds to taps and swipes. Turn it off for a moment and test the screen again. Step 9. Free up storage. If your iPad storage is almost full, the device can become slow or freeze. Go to Settings, then General, then iPad Storage. Delete unused apps, large videos, or old files to give your iPad more space to work properly. Step 10. Try recovery mode. If nothing works, connect your iPad to a computer and try recovery mode. Choose Update first because it tries to reinstall iPad OS without deleting your data. Only choose Restore as a last option because it erases the iPad. Step 11. Check for damage. If your iPad was dropped, bent, exposed to water, or recently repaired, the issue may be hardware related. A damaged screen digitizer can stop touch from working even if the display still looks fine. In that case, it is better to contact Apple support or visit a trusted repair shop.